Hello and welcome. This is my floor. I haven't sanded it yet, obviously. It's a bit gappy down here, I'm not too impressed with. The waltz is obviously here. So we're going to sand it. Now, I probably could have hired a proper sander, but everyone tells me if you've never used one before, it's quite deadly. So I'm going to see how the orbital does it. There's not much to take off. I've got a belt sander as well, which I may just resort to for the quick once over. But I'm just going to see how this does it, and we'll go from there. So enjoy the time lapse, and let's get it done. Looking better. So this has done one pass up to about a metre away from that wall with a 40 grit sandpaper. Got more sandpaper arrived on the belt sander, so I've got this last bit here to rattle through in that room, and then I've got to just start cross graining it going the other way, and then that'll be it for the belt sander. And then we can you're right, Walter, and then we can start with the filler, and then we can then start with the orbital, taking out scratches with the orbital, and then we are done. So yeah, enjoy the time lapse, and It's been a long time since I've updated, and we are here, and we've started the resin filling final stuff. It's exceptionally expensive, and my kids are screaming. You see why I need an office. So yeah, it's really expensive stuff. It's called base fill. One tub's going to do 50 square meters. One tub's done 6, so it's going to cost me an absolute fortune. But this stuff is mental. The resin is stunning. So yeah, so you can see me doing that. So it's all going to get one pass, sanded, another tight pass, and then 2 coats of sanding again, and then we're ready to stain the floor and whatnot. So yes, that's what I'm doing. So enjoy the time lapse, and I'll catch you. Kids are away, which is all good, and I am here to sand the floor. So last night I worked till very late and did a first pass, so all the majority of the cracks are filled all the way over. I now need to sand it all back and then fill the rest in, basically, which will take a lot less material, I can assure you. There's a few patchy bits down there, but yeah, so I'm hoping by the end of today this will be all ready to patch and fill in again tonight. Well, it's the end of another day. My belt sander let go and carved all sorts of mess in the floor, which is quite annoying. It's dusty as hell in here, but the floor is looking pretty good, and even the really gappy area is now looking quite tight. It feels solid. It is a solid floor, to say the least. My sander is dying. So look at that absolute carnage down there. So I've got more sanding discs turning up tomorrow. Some 40 grit, which is more like 120 by the time we've used it for 10 seconds. So we're going to get the rest of it sanded, and then we're going to drop back and hoover, fill out everything one last time, one last tight fill over the lot, including in that room as well. And then we'll go from 40 grit, 60, 80, 120, and then I'm going to polish up with 240. And hopefully by that point all the gaps are filled, everything's looking wonderful. And then we can just, basically the idea is once it's all filled, sanded and ready to go, we're going to then plastic sheet it all, and then I'm going to paint the walls and get the skirting rattled on. I also want to get this area done down here, this little kitchen type area that's not a kitchen, get that all done. And then I'm going to treat the floor. Yeah, so it's a bit of a long ass process this, but you get this right, the floor will last a long time, and it's already showing signs that it's going to be exceptionally hard wearing. The sanding is taking so long, but I think it's worth it. Anyway, right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. Ah, yes, you guessed it. The GoPro has died. We've lost some footage. So yeah, I don't really know where we are at this stage at the moment. So we've sanded the floor loads, and now we're going to paint everywhere. And I believed that was, at the time of filming, that was the end of the sanding. I can very much inform you that it very much wasn't. And also at this point, I felt I really should have got a proper floor sander in to do the job. The problem was finding one, so we're kind of just going to avoid that subject. So I decided to paint, because I'm really also rubbish at painting. Painting for me is the bit that goes wrong really quite often. I've not painted anything that's gone very right. I can't paint. So yeah, so that's the end of this video, and then we're going to start the next video where I'll be doing some painting, I believe. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for the comments. I'm editing these as quickly as I can now. I am actually in the office editing, so that's quite a good sign. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that sort of nonsense, and I'll catch you all in the very next video. See you soon. Bye bye.